Elon Musk's medical device company NeuraLink is now facing a federal investigation over statements coming from internal staff indicating that the way animal trials were run within the company were cruel and certainly broke, according to their accusations.
Now, this is a question that's been raised by several people. Is it ethical to experiment with someone's brain? Well, it's an ongoing debate. Some are in favor of it while others think differently. Elon Musk, who is known for his ambitious goals like...
Elon Musk is known for his high-profile companies like Tesla and SpaceX. But the billionaire also has a handful of unusual ventures. He says he started one of them to achieve symbiosis between the human brain and artificial intelligence. NeuraLink is Musk's neural interface technology company. It's developing a device that would be embedded in a person's brain, where it would record brain activity and potentially stimulate it. Musk has compared the technology to a FitBit in your skull. While Musk likes to talk up his futuristic vision for the technology, the tech has some potential near-term medical applications. Here's everything you need to know about NeuraLink. NeuraLink was founded under the radar in 2016. NeuraLink first became publicly known in 2017 when the Wall Street Journal reported on its existence. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the notification bell for more amazing content. Company's first major public outing didn't come until 2019 when Elon Musk and other members of the NeuraLink executive team showed off their tech in a live-streamed presentation. NeuraLink is developing two bits of equipment. The first is a chip that will be implanted in a person's skull, with electrodes fanning out into their brain. First, the chip. The chip NeuraLink is developing is about the size of a coin and would be embedded in a person's skull. From the chip, an array of tiny wires, each roughly 20 times thinner than a human hair, fan out into the patient's brain. The wires are equipped with 1,024 electrodes that are able to monitor brain activity and, theoretically, electrically stimulate the brain. This data is transmitted wirelessly via the chip to computers where it can be studied by researchers. The second piece of tech is a robot that could automatically implant the chip. The robot would work by using a stiff needle to punch the flexible wires emanating from a NeuraLink chip into a person's brain, a bit like a sewing machine. NeuraLink released a video showcasing the robot in January 2021. Musk has claimed the machine could make implanting NeuraLink's electrodes as easy as LASIK eye surgery. While this is a bold claim, neuroscientists previously told Insider in 2019 that the machine has some very promising features. Professor Andrew Hyers highlighted a feature which would automatically adjust the needle to compensate for the movement of a patient's brain, as the brain moves during surgery along with a person's breathing and heartbeat. The robot, as it currently stands, is 8 feet tall, and while NeuraLink is developing its underlying technology, its design was crafted by Woke Studios. In 2020, NeuraLink showed off one of its chips embedded in a pig named Gertrude. The demonstration was proof of concept and showed how the chip was able to accurately predict the positioning of Gertrude's limbs while she was walking on a treadmill, as well as record neural activity when the pig snuffled about for food. Musk said the pig had been living with the chip embedded in her skull for 2 months. In terms of their technology, 1,024 channels are not that impressive these days, but the electronics to relay them wirelessly is state-of-the-art, and the robotic implantation is nice, said Professor Andrew Jackson, an expert in neural interfaces at Newcastle University. This is solid engineering, but mediocre neuroscience, he said. NeuraLink went a step further with its animal demos in April 2021, when it showed off a monkey playing video games with its mind. NeuraLink released a video of a macaque monkey named Pager playing video games such as Pong for banana smoothie rewards. Pager played the games using a joystick that was disconnected from the game's console, meaning he was controlling the cursor using his brain signals as his arm moved. Elon Musk likes to boast NeuraLink can let monkeys control computers with their brain signals, but neuroscientists don't see this as a big deal. Elon Musk excitedly announced in a 2019 presentation that NeuraLink had successfully implanted its chip into a monkey. A monkey has been able to control a computer with its brain, just FYI, he said, which appeared to take NeuraLink president Max Hodak by surprise. I didn't realize we were running that result today, but there it goes, said Hodak. Musk reiterated the claim in February 2021, 2 months ahead of the video demonstration. Neuroscientists speaking to Insider in 2019 said that while the claim might grab the attention of readers, they did not find it surprising or even particularly impressive. The monkey is not surfing the internet. The monkey is probably moving a cursor to move a little ball to try to match a target. said Professor Andrew Hyers, an assistant professor of neurobiology at the University of California. Implanting primates with neural brain interfaces that let them control objects on screens has been done before. Professor Andrew Jackson of the University of Newcastle told Insider in April 2021, Elon Musk said NeuraLink hopes to start implanting its chips in humans in 2022, 2 years later than he'd originally envisaged. Speaking at the Wall Street Journal CEO Council Summit on December 6, 2021, Musk said NeuraLink hoped to start human testing the following year pending Food and Drug Administration approval. He repeated the claim on Twitter, "Progress will accelerate when we have devices in humans. Hard to have nuanced conversations with monkeys next year," Musk tweeted. This isn't the first time Musk has set a timeline for getting NeuraLink's chips into humans. Experts voiced doubt about this timeline at the time, as part of safely testing a neural interface device involves implanting it into an animal test subject, normally a primate, and leaving it there for an extended amount of time to test its longevity, as any chip would have to stay in a human patient's brain for a lifetime. In the near term, a chip in someone's brain could help treat neurological disorders like Parkinson's. Improved neural interface technology like NeuraLinks could help better study and treat severe neurological conditions such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Professor Andrew Hyers said another application could be allowing people to control robotic prostheses with their minds. The first application you can imagine is better mental control for a robotic arm with someone who is paralyzed, Hyers said in a 2019 interview with Insider, adding that the electrodes in a patient's brain could potentially reproduce the sensation of touch, allowing the patient to exert finer motor control over a prosthetic limb. Elon Musk also says that in the long term, NeuraLink's chip could be used to meld human consciousness with artificial intelligence. Although Musk has touted the near-term applications of NeuraLink, he often links the company up with his fears about artificial intelligence. Musk has said that he thinks humanity will be able to achieve symbiosis with artificial intelligence using technology developed by NeuraLink. Musk told artificial intelligence podcast host Lex Fridman in 2019 that NeuraLink was intended to address the existential risk associated with digital superintelligence. "We will not be able to be smarter than a digital supercomputer. So, therefore, if you cannot beat them, join them," Musk added. Musk has made a lot of fanciful claims about the enhanced abilities NeuraLink could confer. In 2020, Musk said people would save and replay memories like in Black Mirror or telepathically summon their car. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the notification bell for more amazing content. Until the next video, take care.